G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see you all again. So we're gonna continue on with our retaining wall. This retaining wall is gonna be core filled. And we'll have bar going vertically, but we'll also put in a few bars horizontally as well. So the wall itself, the whole integrity of it gets held and tight, held together really nice and tight. So no cracks can appear vertically or horizontally whatsoever. At the same time, any force that comes in from that ground or the excavation from next door, any force that comes in from that, it won't bow this or belly this wall whatsoever.